At number 1 is the TrafficMASTER hand-scraped Saratoga Hickory laminate flooring. Do you want solid wood flooring but on a tight budget? Worry not, because TrafficMASTER has what you need. This laminate flooring in dark, vibrant color excellently mimics the appearance and feel of real hickory wood. It blends elegantly on any home interior design and furniture. The hand-scraped style gives it a classic vibe to modern homes. Its wood-like look is also a darling. It instantly makes any home warm and inviting. What makes this product stand out among other laminate floorings in the market is it's easier to install and you can do it alone. Plus, it needs no glue to stick to the subfloor as the planks click together through tongue and groove joints. Aside from making installation a breeze, this product is also exceptionally durable and long-lasting. It withstands dirt and stains, high foot traffic, and scratches, which is why it's the ideal flooring for homes with children or pets. Although it has no underlayment, it's perfect for laying on any surface. It's also appropriate for all grades of installation: above grade, on grade, or below grade. Trimmings and molding can be purchased separately. Each plank measures 7 mm thick, 7 2/3 inches wide, 50 5/8 inches long. In one case will cover up to 24.17 square inches of area. This product is perfect for residential, and the TrafficMASTER is a leading producer of domestic, commercial, indoor and outdoor flooring products. They're distributed exclusively through Home Depot stores. Shaw Industries Incorporated also manufactures the TrafficMASTER line.